Okay guys, this is it. Just a couple of remarks before I wrap this installment on rewrapping the box top of the Everready entry with new vinyl. The result, as you can see, compared to the old vinyl which was used on the box top, is not too bad. A couple of remarks though. I was a little bit skimpy on the amount of vinyl I used. So I did manage to stretch it all around the inside of the box top, but really let's say maybe I was just a little bit too skimpy. I should have probably cut about 1/3 of an inch more to do a perfect job. Also, notice there's a seam on the corner. Actually, there's a seam on every corner. Now, that's not a mistake by me. I used the same technique the original makers have used when they used this old vinyl to coat the box top. So if you remember, the cut I showed you on the diagram is almost identical to the cut that they used. So actually the box top, when it was coated with the old vinyl, also had seams around the corners or on the corners of the box. So, well, you know, I might have to rethink my strategy when I'll coat or when I'll wrap the lower half of the box with new vinyl, in order to avoid those annoying little gaps on the corners. So that's one remark. The other remark is this. I bought a 200 ml spray can of glue, and would you believe it, the whole can of glue, or practically the whole can, went into gluing this one box top. And let me assure you, it's not a big box top. It measures about, I would say 20 inches on one side and maybe 15 inches on the other. And you can see for yourselves, it's not a big box top. And I had to use almost 200 ml of glue. Now, I don't know whether that's normal or not, but really, instinctively I would say that's way too much. So is it because it's not exactly the right kind of glue, or is it because the quality of this glue is not good enough, or what the reason is? I don't know. But tomorrow I'll be going into town in search of at least a bigger spray can, and if I can, I'll try to find a new can, a new type of glue, which hopefully will do a better job of gluing this vinyl to the box, to the Everready box. So anyway guys, this is it for the moment. I think I'll wrap the episode of coating the box, the Everready box, with new vinyl for now, until I find more glue and maybe better glue. I will have to rethink a little bit my strategy for wrapping the vinyl around the corners, so as not to have a seam. Excuse me. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this installment on wrapping vinyl around the box, and I hope I'll see you soon back on my channel. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.